Hello guys, welcome back to episode 3 of Cmake. In this video, I will be telling you about how to configure Cmake on Linux. I will be configuring Cmake on Ubuntu because I'm using the Ubuntu Linux, but maybe you guys have some other Linux flavors. So I will be sharing more commands how to configure Cmake on the other flavors of Linux. So you will be getting more information in the description below, but I will be telling you about just how to configure Cmake on Ubuntu. So let's jump in and see how things work on Linux. Okay guys, so here is the Ubuntu I am having on my Windows. It's a CMD version, so you just need to write a single command and it will configure Cmake for you. For example, you will be writing sudo apt. Apt is a package manager which contains the binaries of Cmake and the other packages you want to install on your Linux. So it's sudo apt install Cmake, and you will be just providing your password. And I already having the newest versions of Cmake 3.16 on my Ubuntu already installed, so you can see the messages on the screen. So it's already installed, so you just don't have to do any fancy stuff or something like that. Just need to run this command and it will handle everything for you. If you write Cmake to check that the Cmake installed correctly or not, just like write Cmake -v and it, okay, sorry. So it will be telling you Cmake version 3.16.3 and it's installed. So that's all you need to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get the information about how to configure Cmake on Linux. But if you have any question, feel free to drop questions in the description below. I will be answering your question there. And if you guys face any difficulties in configuring the Cmake, then I will be there to help you guys. So just put your questions in the description below. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Best of luck.